Welcome to Bailey's Slime Time. This is how we make smoky slime. This is all the things we need. First we need glue and add water. Now add lotion. Now add body wash. And now add baby oil. And shaving cream. Wow, so crazy. Look at it. So crazy. Add black if you want. So already black. Now the sprinkles. Now last step, add the batter. It's slimy. Oh, it's slimy. That's how you make smoky slime. It is a smoky slime. Ew, so yucky. Bye, see you next time at Daily Slime Time.